Again, good evening everyone. Since tapos na ang Christ the King Feast sa seminary, ngayon pala ang amin ng next plan sa simbahan at sa seminaryo at mga SVD parishes, pag-isipan naman yung mga Christmas activities. Kasi tuloy ang Pasko, tuloy na ibibigay ng Diyos sa kanyang sarili sa atin. That's the theme of the Gospel for today, giving. Alam nyo, sa Gospel, Jesus appreciates people who truly give. And what are the elements po pala for us to be able to truly give? May tatlo. I notice we can truly give when we give from the heart. Bakit? Kasi when we give from the heart, it is from within. It comes from the soul. It comes from the presence of God within us. Kaya nga, di ba, pag may humingi sa atin, nag-iisip muna tayo because we have to draw inside. Kung maibibigay ba tayo, we have to look within to be able to give. What if you have nothing inside? I have nothing to give. Kaya siguro may lamang pa ang bulsa mo, but if you have nothing to give from the inside, you will not give anything. That's why giving comes from the heart. And when our giving is inspired by love, giving becomes meaningful action for all of us. In giving, we find our value and mission. For this reason, I believe the secret to a happy life, the secret to be away from hopelessness, to be away from despair, is to know that we still have something to give. Kasi what makes us depressed is to realize na we have nothing to give anymore. Nothing left, nothing space. But no, the Lord is telling us, there is a space, there is something, meron pa. Naalala ko tuloy yung kwento ni Prophet Ezekiel. He tried to prophesy, then Queen Jezebel, nagalit sa kanya, hinahabol siya to kill him. And Prophet Ezekiel found himself useless. Wala na ako, I have nothing to give. Ang ginawa niya na lang, natulog siya sa galye. He is waiting to die because he saw wala na natitira sa kanya. Then an angel came, then pinapakain siya, water and food. Sabi niya, no more, no more. But you know kung saan siya na-inspire when the angel told him, get up, eat your food because you still have plenty to give. Doon siya nagising. He was inspired again. Meron pa pala, kaya nga, for those who are searching for meaning, this pandemic, there's still many reasons to give. And that giving will come from our heart. That's why we have to activate our heart with love this pandemic. For all the more we see and find reason for living. And when we find a reason for our living, we will find meaning for our being to stay. So that when we are confronted with the questions sa buhay natin, ito po yung mga pinaka-painful questions we can ever face. What am I here for? I hope for the past 9 months from ECQ to GCQ, I hope there's a point in our lives na tanong natin ito, what am I really here for? What is this life really for? Then we know the answer. What is life for? What I am here for? That is to give myself with love from my heart. Pangalawa naman, the element po na gustong ipati ni Jesus, why He appreciates total giving. Because giving is painful also. Let us be reminded. Why giving is painful? Because you have to lose something. Giving is painful because we are asked to give without counting the cost. Giving is painful because it is painful when we give without expecting any return. And if we are giving without expecting any return and counting the cost, kaya nga po when we give, pag nagbibigay tayo, but we still counting the cost and counting what will be the return, we are not really giving. It is called investing. It is called trading. It is called doing business. Kaya nga sa mga mag-aasawa, sa mga nasa magsusyota pa lang ngayon, sa mga magulang, how to treat your children, or in a family relationship, keep in mind, in that relationship, we are not businesswomen. We are there to give without counting the cost. and give without expecting any financial return. Please expect pain if you want to love and give. Fathers and mothers work so hard. Volunteers in parishes, they give themselves. And pangatlo, let us be reminded na ultimately, we give not for our own good, but for the good of others. Kaya nga, maganda this coming days, tanong natin, how do I know if I am really loving? How do I know? May sagot po ang simbang Katoliko. You can know that you are really loving and giving when your primary intention to love ay lumago at maging mabuti, maging maayos yung buhay ng minamahal natin at tinutulungan. And there are many ways to give love, by our time, by our presence, by our listening ears, by our prayer, by our monetary help, by our talent. Basta what is most important is that we are willing giver. And we are happy to see that others live and that others grow and that others actualizes the best of their potentials. That's why to all hardworking parents, to all of you in charge with work, in charge of a community, in charge of leadership, if you are doing your best, ang Diyos na lang po ang mag-reward sa inyo. For sure, all your sacrifices and your character of goodness you made for others will not go uncounted in the hearts of God, in the heart of God. For the more heart we give, the more we are closer to the heart of God. God bless everyone.